Hold up. Rewind that back. I don't know what happened last night or how my face got like this, but that's the sound of my skin having its worst nightmare. Okay, let's get started with these makeup removing wipes from Neutrogena. I really want to get all this yucky and icky stuff off. Don't know what happened. But whatever happened, it's gone now. Now we're going to use the Ulta makeup removing cloth along with the Neutrogena Deep Clean makeup removing cleanser. The makeup cloth and the cleanser allow me to get a deep clean, and it also takes off the makeup that the wipe missed. And we're just going to massage this into my skin using circular motions. After, I'm going to rinse with some warm water and use my makeup removing cloth again just to pat off the water and get all the excess dirt and makeup off. Now I'm going to use my silicone face mask brush, and we're also using Pearlist Blue Lotus Seed Mask, and it's an exfoliant and it's going to draw out all those impurities in my skin. I really love this brush because I don't have to get my hands dirty when I'm applying the mask. Along with my face mask, I like to use lip scrubs. So today I'm going to be using Indy Beauty Buttercream lip scrub, which really tastes like sugar. So I'm going to try my hardest not to lick it. This lip scrub actually hydrates my lips, so I love it. Also helps make my lips really soft. It also helps when I'm applying lipstick and my lips are super smooth, so I wouldn't have any creasing in my lipstick.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I am back. Now we see that the clay mask has turned a different color, and I'm going to take my makeup removing cloth and just wipe it off using circular motions and some warm water. And I am loving how my skin is turning out. Thank you, Lord, because that was horrific. Now we're going to use BELIF True Aqua Balm as a moisturizer. You always want to moisturize your skin. This keeps your skin soft, hydrated, youthful. You want those things, especially in your skin, because that's the first thing people see. Okay, come through, clear skin. I see you, yes. And now I am done. Well, now you guys know how to take care of your skin nightmares. See you guys later. Bye.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Morgan Sinclaire. Thanks for tuning in to my video. And if you want to see more and you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for all the great deeds.